Alright, so I've been trying to trace down an idling problem on my wife's 2009 Mini Cooper S. Today I found that the K&N air filter was pretty dirty. I've done a ton of work to it, and I even gave up and took it to a shop. And today I'm using the intake valve cleaning kit from CRC versus having to go to somewhere and have the walnut blasting done. I don't think that it's going to actually solve the problem, but so far just cleaning the air filter, and then I've done one treatment of that right now. The car is definitely idling better, so I'm going to pop you down here and you're going to see some smoke because it's got a lot of that CRC stuff in the system, but I'm going to rev it up a little bit. There we go. It's kind of starting to do that hunting thing again. Well, let's pick it back up. So, I don't know. We'll see if there's any real progress from using that product. I'll post back up.